In this video, I'll show you how to link a bank account to Cash App without a debit card. The process is simple and secure, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. On the home screen, look at the bottom left corner and tap the bank icon. This is also called the Banking tab. Here, you'll see your Cash App balance and some options right below it. Tap on Link Bank or Linked Accounts. If you haven't added a bank before, the app will prompt you to do so. Tap the option that says Link Bank Account. You'll now see a list of popular banks appear on your screen. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find your bank. Once you've located it, tap on your bank's name. Cash App will now ask you to sign in to your online banking account. Don't worry, this step is completely safe and uses secure encryption. Simply enter your online banking username and password, the same ones you use to check your balance or make transfers on your bank's official website. After logging in, follow the on-screen prompts to give Cash App permission to connect to your bank. Once the connection is approved, your bank account will be successfully linked to Cash App and you won't need a debit card at all. This allows you to add or withdraw funds directly from your bank, making your transactions faster and easier. And that's it. That's how you link a bank account to Cash App without using a debit card.